The Kenexis Instrumented Safeguard Suite application has four main areas which you can use to navigate around your projects. The first area is the title bar. The title bar lets you know which application that you have entered into, and then there's also information regarding who you are logged in as, and it also gives you the ability to log out by clicking on the door icon. The second area is the action ribbon. The action ribbon contains a number of buttons that allow you to work with different studies that are in your account, and then also it allows you to access the different manager applications to edit different settings such as facility settings, items in the library, and risk tolerance criteria. The third area is the facility list. This is a list of facilities that either you own, meaning that you have created the facilities, or facilities that you have been given access to. And then finally, there's the work area that contains the studies. So when you click on any particular facility, it will bring in all of the studies that have been done for that facility in the study list. In the study list, you'll see a list of all of the studies by name. It will show you the owners of the studies, when they were last modified, and the current revision number of that study. You're able to search through the studies. For instance, if you wanted to find any of the studies that contain the word sample, you would do so by typing sample into the text box and then clicking on the filter icon and saying contains. And that will then bring up the filtered list of studies that only contain the word sample. And you can filter by study type, study name, study owner, and revision. Now, once you have identified a study that you want to work on, for instance, let's say we wanted to work on the sample production area, I can either click on the hyperlink and bring it up for editing, or if I select that particular study, I can then go into the action ribbon and perform different actions. So I could click on the edit icon to edit the study. I can click new from template to create a new study, copy study, delete, baseline, and then also import studies. Also in the action ribbon here, you'll see that there's the ability to add a new study. So if I click on add new study, it's going to bring up a list of all of the different types of studies that I have been authorized to create in my account, whether that's an effigy study, FGS design basis, a Vertigo safety instrumented system study, or even a safety override risk analysis. So by using these four major areas of the project manager, you can manipulate all of the existing studies in any particular facility. You can identify the facilities that you have available to you, and then you can also create and edit studies in the facility manager, create and edit libraries using the library manager, and then create or edit risk tolerance criteria by using the risk manager.